Still waiting for my viewers. Hi, my two viewers. Hello. Oh. What's happening? Is there something wrong with my live? Hi, one viewer. Share live. Hi to my one viewer. It's a nice evening to everyone. Pop mom. Oh. Wait, pop. Pop para pop. Well, it's good to be here. We have 5 viewers. I'm good, Jano. Hello. Hello, hi. Welcome to live. I'm your host. My name is Naomi. Wait, guys, I will get my watch. Get my watch. Hello, tulog na idol, gabi na. Hello, Joy. Gabi na, hindi ako makatulog. Kaya nagla-live na lang ako. Because this is the time I used to go live. Hello, Alexander, the one Ayal. Hi, beautiful darling. Hi. Hi to you. Hello to my 80 viewers. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Sensya na kasi I really, oh my God, kagabi pa yan. Last night. That's your message. I kind of put a lot of my yummy body on. But you guys, I have my watch up. Watch up? No. It's not Patreon. I have Patreon. You guys want to see me on my Patreon? Wait, I will make some. I will put on my hand. Hi to my. I will see something is nagfe-fade na siya. Oh, thank God. Wala na siya. Umabot siya dito. Oh, wala. Hot mom. Hey, Binod Kumar. Please invite him to join my Patreon. I have my Patreon. Did you go? Help. Let me put something on my lips. Sharing live. Hello everybody. Happy. Hola. I'm a hola. Hola Española. It's my favorite lipstick. Hello baby kalma. Huwag mo naman. Hello Kaan Australia Caradas. Hi Kaan. Join again my membership. Last time I remember that you joined my membership. Sexy Hola Mommy. Hi Living Life. I put the lipstick on my eyes. No, it's not. Thank you. Just a little.